Alright, this is the elevator at the famous Dave's Barbecue Ribs restaurant in Wisconsin, Dells, Wisconsin. It's a Schindler 330A. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. Here we are at 2. See, this is the second floor. Let's go back down to 1. Door close works, huh? Let's get you a cab view. This is just your basic elevator. Nothing often fancy. HD fixtures. And here we are at 1. Takes a while to level. Capacity is 2,100 pounds. Oh, sorry.
Excuse us, sorry.
You're fine. No problem. Alright. Let's watch the door close. There it goes, and that's it.